how I get my face from this to this at home. Sometimes you don't need to rush to spa to go and do facials always, especially if you're like me who doesn't have any skincare issues. My face is okay, my skin is okay, so I don't see the need I should be going to spa, spending so much money all the time, unless I want to go and do microneedling, which is not always. Anyways, watch me do it, and I'm going to show you step by step what I do, how I do it. I do this once a month. If you can do it twice a month, fine. Okay, the first thing you need is to shape your eyebrows. Shape it. Get a brush like that. You brush it down, you shape. You brush it up, you shape. I have a full eyebrows. I don't like shaving it off. After shaping it, the next I'm going to do is to dye it. Before you dye, you have to rub Vaseline on top of your eyebrow and below your eyebrow. This will make the dye not to pass into your skin. Because if you do it without the Vaseline, it might stick and go off board, and your eyebrow will not look beautiful. So after dyeing it, after rubbing the Vaseline up and down, the next thing you will need to get is your dye.
The night takes stage.
You get this dye. It's sold for 1,000 in Nigeria. It's the cheapest dye. Even old mama and papa, they use them. You get it, put a little of each. In this video, I added a lot, which I later discarded after tinting my eyebrows. So when you're doing your own, make sure you take a little. That is all you need. This bottle, you can use it for 1 year or more. So you mix it together and get yourself a flat brush like I'm doing here, and tint it up. Tint it. This is more better for me. Instead of going to do that semi-permanent tattoo that will be there for years, this is better. It will fade within short period if you don't like it. But if you do that semi-permanent one, you can carry it for years while you don't like the outcome. Some of them doesn't look beautiful. So this is what I do. I like my eyebrow. I just want it more black and pronounced. You do the same to the other side of your eyebrow. Be very, very careful. So after doing it, you wash it off. You see, I've washed it off and apply Vaseline again immediately and brush it up. Then and shave off the remaining excesses that I did not shave at the beginning. This will make it more clean and pronounced and more beautiful. You do the same thing. You shave the down part of it. After this, we are going to move into the next level of my face care at home. The next step is your face shaving. I use aloe vera gel. If you don't have aloe vera gel, you can use any baby oil, pears, coconut oil, anything oily. Don't ever shave your face without applying something that will glide the razor easily. You need it. Then you shave your face. Do this once in a month. The aloe vera is tinting me on my eyes. I don't know why. That's why I'm frowning my face. Then you shave your face. Shave down. Don't shave up. Don't shave up. You see the small tiny hairs on my face. You will not know that these hairs will block your skincare product from penetrating your skin. But when you shave it like this, you will see that your skincare product will start working immediately. You will notice a big difference and your face will glow the more. See the dirt, the hairs I removed from my face. Then I wiped my face with wipes. After wiping, the next thing I'm going to do is to wash it off.
A quiet stream, a gentle sway. Let your worries drift away.
Then I'm going to apply my charcoal whitening mask. This mask is from Dr. Rachel's. It's made with charcoal and all that. It's very, very good to help to brighten and exfoliate the dead skin more. You know, when you do your face care at home like this, even in spa, they apply you one thing after the other. All this thing is to remove the dead skin and give you a glowing skin. Go and get this face mask. It's everywhere in the market. You will need it.
The weight and kiss the sky. Breathe it in and let it flow. Feel the rhythm soft and slow. A quiet stream, a gentle sway. Let your worries drift away. Raindrops dance on leaves so green. A tranquil world, a peaceful scene. The moon ascends, the night takes
Be careful around your eyebrows, because if you stick to your eyebrow while pulling it out, it might be a little bit painful. So be careful around your eyebrow area so that it doesn't stick to your eyebrow hairs.
Feel the rhythm soft and slow. A quiet stream.
After like some minutes, 5 or 6 minutes more, it will dry up. You will feel it. There you come out and peel it off like this. It's very, very satisfying to watch, and you will feel the softness of it immediately on your face.
Your eyes, the world turns still. Hear the whisper of the hill. Catch the scent of a blooming flower.
That's all. That's how I do my face care at home. After this, I'll go and take my bath, apply my serums, my face cream, and voila, I will have a bright, beautiful face.